Guys, this is Optimal FS where profitable strategies are being shared. This is crash 1000 1 minute time frame. Crash 1000 1 minute time frame. Only one indicator is used here. Only one indicator is used here. Now, when you see this purple line, look at this purple line. This purple line here. Look at this purple line. When you see this purple line crosses this pink line, you see this purple line and this pink line. When you see the purple line crosses the horizontal line, that is the pink horizontal line. When you see this purple line, this particular line crosses this pink horizontal line. This pink horizontal line, understand? Once you see it crosses it, you do what? You make your buy entry. Look at this. Look at here. This is where it crosses the line. Understand? So here you make your entry here. You make your entry here. Once it crosses it, you make your what? Entry. Make your entry here. Look at it there. Make your what? Entry there. Make your entry here. And do what? Take 5 candles. Take what? 5 green candles. 5 what? 5 green candles. You understand? That's what I promise you. 5 green candles. So if you make your trade here, if you enter your trade here, you count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You take a what? You take a profit. Now it continues. Do you understand? It continues till this is back here. But what I show you is what? 5 green candle. Make your entry here. Count 5. After 5 green candle, it will what? You take your profit. Do you understand? Do what? Take your profit. That is the first. This is another one here. After this purple line, crosses this pink line, this pink horizontal line, you do what? You make your entry here. Do you understand? You make your entry here. So this is 1 here. You make your entry here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see how you take your profit. Now if you shake it continuous, do you understand? You do what? It does continuous. The profit do what? Continuous. But what I assure you, this is crash. This is crash 1000, and this is what? 1 minute time frame. Do you understand? So for you to be on the safe side, you do what? You take few candles. You take what? Few candles. So what I recommend for you is to take 5 green candles. Do you understand? So if you want to risk more, you can, but what I recommend you, in order to be in a safer side, do you understand? Take 5 green candles and you are good to go. Do you understand? So that's it. Once you see this purple line, once you see this purple line crosses this horizontal line here. Understand? Once you see this line crosses this horizontal line here, you do what? You make your entry. Now here is another one. You see the purple line, this purple line crosses this pink line here. This is where it crosses it. Do you understand? So you take your trade. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do what? Take your profit. Do what? Take your profit. That is number 3. Do you understand? So here is another one. You see this once it crosses, once the purple line crosses this pink horizontal line, once it crosses it, you do what? You take your buy positions here. Take your buy position here. Understand? Take your buy position here. Then you count 5 green candles. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You take your profit immediately. You understand? You take your profit immediately. So here is another one. Here is another one. If you watch here, the purple line crosses this purple line crosses this horizontal pink line. So once the crossing occur, you do what? You take your trade. You take your trade immediately from here. Count to 5 green candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do what? You see the profit continues. Do you understand? The profit continues. So what I show you is what is 5 candle. Once you take your what 5 candle, you are good to go. Do you understand? So this is crash 1000 time frame is a 1 minute time frame. Do you understand? So this is what we do in Optimal FS. We share profitable trade. We share profitable strategies for you to do what? To enjoy your trade with. Do you understand? Now let me show you the settings. Let me show you the settings of the indicator you use here. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Do you understand? If you enjoyed the video, like the video, share it so that others will benefit. Do you understand? Optimal FS do not involve in any kind of account management. Do you understand? So stay safe. Do you understand? So this is the settings. This is the settings. The indicator used here is average true range. Average true range. That is the indicator. ATR. Average true range. Do you understand? So the settings are the period is 14. Do you understand? Period is 14. Style. You can choose a pixel of your choice. Do you understand? Now when you come to the level, the level is discretion, that is 0.5. Then you come to the level 0.5. Do you understand? Choose a pixel. Here choose 3 pixel, then choose color of your choice. Do you understand? That is all about the settings, and you are good to go. Do you understand? So share the video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.